PCOS is a hormonal disorder causing enlarged ovaries. It results in irregularity in menstrual cycles, excessive hair growth, acne, and obesity. And one of the most effective ways to keep this condition in check is regular practice of yoga.
Now let's start. First, let's do a breathing exercise called Kapalbhati. For Kapalbhati, place your hands on the knees. Keep your eyes closed. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Now for Kapalbhati, take a breath in and exhale forcefully through the nostrils and pull the navel in towards the spine. In, out. 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 In, and relax. Observe the sensations within. Second round. Take a breath in and exhale completely. In, out. 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 In, and relax. And you may open your eyes. Now we'll do some warm-ups to prepare our body for asanas. So to start, let's all stand up. Let's start with some neck rolls. Breathing in, let your head fall back. Breathe out, chin to the chest. Now as you breathe in, let's start with clockwise neck circles. Breathing in, front to right and back. Breathing out, back to left and front. Slow and gentle rotations. Opposite direction. Breathing in, front to left and back. Breathing out, back to right and front. And you may relax after this round. We'll do some shoulder rotations now. Breathing in, stretch your arm to the front, take it all the way up. Breathe out, back and down. Let's continue in the same fashion. Opposite direction. Same with the left hand. Stretch forward as you breathe in. Take it all the way up. Breathe out, back and down. Opposite direction. Breathing in, back and up. And as you exhale, front and down. And relax. Now increase the distance between your feet. Your feet are more than shoulder width apart, palms on the waist. And let's start with clockwise hip rotations. Make big circles with your waist. and opposite direction. And come back to the center and relax. Get your feet closer to each other and let's start with on-spot jogging. Shake your hands. Shake your shoulders, the head, little faster. And relax. Keep your eyes closed and keep your body still. And slowly and gently open your eyes. And let's all sit down. Sit on the palms and knees. Palms are shoulder width apart, knees are hip width apart. Now as you breathe in, look up. Push your navel and chest towards the floor, arch your back down. And as you breathe out, chin to the chest, arch your back up. Breathe in, look up. And breathe out, down. In, up, out, down. And come back to the center. Take your hips back, place your hips on the heels, chest on the thighs, and forehead on the floor. And your arms are stretched to the front. And slowly curl your back up, roll up. Now stretch your legs to the sides, keep your back straight. Breathing in, take your arms all the way up. And as you breathe out, push from the base of your spine, go to the front, interlock the fingers, and let's start with clockwise rotations. Breathing in, front to right and back. Breathing out, back to left and front. Make sure when you're coming back, you're not bending your arms. Keep your arms straight. Opposite direction, anti-clockwise. And come back to the center and come back up. Now join the feet together in front of the groin. Interlock the fingers, hold the feet together, and let's start moving the legs up and down. Titli Asana. And slow down and relax. Breathing in, bend back a little. And as you breathe out, bend forward from the hips. And slowly come back up. Now let's lie down on the stomach. Chin on the floor. Palms are under the shoulders and elbows are close to the body. And as you breathe in, lift your chin, shoulders, chest, upper abdomen off the floor. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed. Keep your elbows as close to the body as you can. Bhujangasana. And as you exhale, slowly come down. Relax your body back on the floor. Now let's roll over to the back. Legs are bent. Feet are hip width apart. Knees in line with your ankles. Palms are on the floor. Now as you breathe in, lift your hips, the lower back, middle back, off the floor. Roll your shoulders in and lift your upper back also up. Interlock the fingers on the floor under your buttocks. And as you exhale, slowly come down and relax your hands. Now join the feet together. The soles of the feet are joined, and drop your knees to the sides. If you want, you may roll a towel and keep it under your back. Interlock your fingers, place them behind the head, and relax in the posture. Your lower back is lifting up. Push it gently back on the floor. And slowly relax your arms, relax your legs. Bring them to the center and stretch your legs straight. Arms are on the sides, close to the body, palms facing up. And let your entire body relax.